Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Few of my faves. I hope you guys are doing great. I am doing absolutely wonderful, and I'm back again with another video. And today also I will be unboxing a new pair of shoes. Recently I have become obsessed with designer shoes, so I went ahead and ordered a new pair of Valentinos. These are sneakers as well, and I can't wait to show you guys how they look. They're absolutely gorgeous, so let's just get started. So before I unbox some details about how I ordered them from a website, a Canadian website, which is called as essence.com. And the shipping is very fast. Like, I ordered them and the shoes were delivered like in 2 days, like literally. So their shipping is very fast and convenient, and they have lots of variety, lots of brands, and they are just amazing. I've had a very good experience with Essence so far, and I will be ordering more items from there. So these were available. They have lots of other designs as well. They have slides and sandals and sneakers, all of these kinds in Valentino. So yes, I ordered them from essence.com. I will also write down the link below if you see in the description box. So let's do the unboxing. So this is by Valentino Garavani. So it came with a dust bag or a shoe bag in which you can keep your shoes safely if you're not wearing them. A pretty big sized dust bag with Valentino tag on it. And then the packaging is just amazing. Came with an extra pair of shoelaces. Then a Valentino care card or whatever it is. So hold your breath, guys. This shoe is just too hot. So these are the sneakers that I ordered. They are Valentinos. Now first I'm going to give you a complete look of the shoe, a close-up, and then I will give you all the details about it. a closer look of the sneakers, guys. Now let me give you more details about it. So this is the white and pink Valentino V logo Backnet sneakers. The Backnet sneakers, and originally the price was 630 Canadian dollars, but I got them on sale for 567 Canadian dollars. I will be attaching some pictures on how it looks on the model, and I will also wear it and share a small video with you guys on how it looks on me. Okay, so now these are low top buffed calfskin sneakers in white. I'm just giving you the general details that I mentioned here. And it has a lace up closure, and it comes with an extra pair of laces, and the logo is printed in gold tone over here. It's all written in gold, and inside as well it's written in gold. And then, oh yes, look at the sole here. It has the logo here as well, just the V, and studs, the stud design, their classic stud design. Okay. Now they have their signature pyramid studs over here. There are only 2 of them. 2 studs, gold in color. And then there is the rubber sole. And the color is pink, and here is all the perforated detailing. So this is the perforated look, I guess, the holes. And these are made in Italy. So these are some of the details of the shoes. Now I'll share a quick video with you guys on how it looks after I wear them. So, and then I'll also let you know if they're true to size and if the size is perfect for me. Okay, I'll just get back to you. size and back. And you all saw the video. The shoes look amazing and they are very comfortable and true to size. I wore them with the socks on, so they fit perfectly. But if you guys are planning to wear them without socks, you might want to get one size smaller or maybe half size smaller. But with the socks, they fit perfectly. And so I guess they're true to size. And if you guys are planning to buy this shoe, then go ahead. They are very comfortable and they look very stylish and chic, and no issues with the sizing. So they are just perfect for any occasion, I think. And yeah, so that's all from me, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions regarding the shoe, please comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I will also add the links to the site. So if you guys want to look at other collections or styles in Valentino's, you can find on the website essence.com. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you guys next time. Take care. Bye bye.